Nostar, more like it.
Amser codi hefyd!
Whoa, paid yn neud na to, please.
Are you all right?
Yes, ti'n bod yn gweithio'n galed.
Oh, good, because I was hoping we could do some more of Mike's letter. For example, what does mevis mean?
Strawberries.
Cymwch gota.
Lobster, definitely. It's a pet name for us.
Please.
Jean McGirt.
Filthy beast. Let's have a look at that.
Rhasis.
It's a type of harness horse racing that's commented on by, presented by Di Jones, who's a celebrity farmer from Llanilar. But nobody knows what it means. Right.
Oh na, dim fideo eto.
I'm ser video.
Cymraeg. Treiglad meddal. Treiglad trwyno. Dwi'n hoffi coffi. Llanfa'r pwllgwyngyll go ger chwyndrobl Llantysilio go go go. Dysgu'r iaith yn 87.
Na, ddim fyrm hen blwydd I o mwnwen. Rhasis. Och, fi'n gweld.
Dwi adre.
Jack, diwrnod braf?
Diwrnod prysur. Be sy'n fwyta?
Dim. Ond celwedd! Moynwen oedd ar y ffôn. Dywedodd hi dy fod ti wedi prynu rosys heddi.
Do. Fe wnes I brynu rosys.
Rosys?
Ie. Rosys.
I bwy?
I ti.
Ble mae'r rosys nawr, Jack?
Yn y car.
Dim blodau o rhain, Jack.
Na. Rosys siocled. I ti.
O, Jack.
Dwi'n gwybod.
Ond ble mae'r strawberry creams, Jack?
Nes I fita nhw. Roedd angen bwyd ar rai.
O, Jack! Amser swper ti. Ond dyw Jack ddim yn hoffi strawberry creams.
Dysgu'r iaith yn 87.